Sourcing materials for metal furniture in a cost-effective way requires creativity, research, and strategic partnerships. Exploring a combination of local and global suppliers, recycling centers, and innovative sourcing platforms, businesses and DIY enthusiasts can significantly reduce material costs while remaining competitive. Strategic approaches to sourcing and production can subtly underscore broader principles that align with both customer priorities and the larger market environment. These tactics, often unspoken yet impactful, how to build a business model that speaks directly to a particular audience's values and needs. Direct purchasing from manufacturers or wholesalers remains one of the most economical strategies. Bulk orders frequently come with volume discounts and better shipping rates, particularly when sourced locally. Local supplies also reduce the lead time for deliveries, ensuring materials arrive quickly for production. Highlighting local sourcing reinforces a sense of community-oriented values, appealing to consumers who prefer to support businesses that integrate into and uplift their immediate environment. Online platforms like Alibaba, Global Sources, and ThomasNet connect buyers with international suppliers who offer competitive pricing. These platforms provide detailed specifications and pricing options, enabling buyers to compare suppliers easily. Many suppliers also offer samples, allowing businesses to verify the material quality before committing to larger orders. By selecting specific suppliers that align with sustainability and ethical practices, businesses can quietly appeal to consumers who value responsible production without explicitly promoting these principles. The strategy allows brands to resonate deeply with audiences that prioritize such values while maintaining broader market appeal. Recycled and repurposed materials, often available at local recycling centers or scrap yards, provide significant savings. These centers often carry high-quality materials such as steel, aluminum, and iron, salvaged from industrial projects, which can be reused for furniture making. Using recycled materials not only reduces costs, but also aligns with sustainable practices, a growing priority for environmentally conscious consumers. Without overtly declaring intent, integrating such materials into production conveys alignment with sustainability, a value many consumers hold dear. Attending industry-specific trade shows and expos uncovers new sourcing opportunities and suppliers offering promotional deals. Such events often showcase innovative materials and techniques that enhance cost efficiency and product quality. Collaborating with local metal fabricators or metalworking shops can also help reduce material costs. Fabricators often have access to wholesale materials, and many offer their surplus or unused offcuts at reduced rates. Offcuts are ideal for smaller furniture components like chair legs or decorative frames, allowing makers to reduce waste and overall material expense. Through these relationships, businesses gain access to valuable resources while subtly reinforcing the idea of community cooperation and efficient use of resources. Strategic partnerships with local suppliers or workshops lead to exclusive discounts and ongoing savings. Establishing long-term relationships build trust and may result in favorable terms, such as deferred payment or rebates for high-volume purchases. Furthermore, bartering services, offering promotional opportunities, shared marketing, or collaborative projects fosters mutual benefit, further reducing costs. This dynamic creates an undercurrent of resourcefulness and collaboration, traits that appeal to customers seeking products from innovative, values-driven businesses. Streamlining production process to maximize efficiency and minimize waste begins with thorough planning and optimized workflows. Computer-aided design software is indispensable for creating precise prototypes. These digital tools allow for accurate planning, minimize material waste caused by errors during cutting or fabrication. Techniques like nesting, which arranges multiple components on a single metal sheet to reduce waste and enhance material efficiency. This strategy ensures maximum use of raw materials, leaving little to no scrap behind. For customers aware of the importance of efficiency, these behind-the-scenes practices speak volumes without needing explicit advertising. Standardizing parts across multiple furniture designs simplifies inventory management and reduces the variety of raw materials required. Modular designs relying on interchangeable components further optimize production process. These parts can be mass-produced in advance, enabling faster assembly and reducing lead times. Such approaches emphasizes functionality and cost-effectiveness while hinting at broader values of simplicity and innovation that resonate with efficiency-conscious buyers. Investing in high-quality tools and machinery, such as CNC machines, laser cutters, and automatic welders, enhance precision and speeds up production. While the initial investment can be high, these machines improve accuracy and reduce human error, which can lead to costly rework. Furthermore, modern machines often integrate energy efficiency technologies, reducing operational costs over time. Customers may never see this investment directly, but the consistent quality and value of the finished product communicate an unspoken commitment to excellence and innovation. Lean manufacturing principles focus on reducing waste and maximizing value, organizing production workflows into dedicated stations for cutting, welding, finishing, and assembly. Ensure tasks are performed efficiently without unnecessary movement or setup changes. Training workers to multitask and operate multiple machines further enhances productivity. This efficient approach reflects discipline and dedication, qualities that naturally align with customer expectations of reliable and thoughtful production. Repurposing scrap material reduces waste. Metal off-cut can become smaller components like brackets, handles, or decorative details. Scraps can also be melted down and reshaped for future projects, ensuring no material goes to waste. Establishing a scrap management system that organizes leftover materials by size and type facilitates their reuse. This focus on minimizing waste speaks directly to environmentally conscious consumers, reinforcing sustainability without making it a marketing tagline. Implementing a just-in-time inventory system minimizes excess material storage, reducing both waste and overhead costs. Just-in-time ensures materials are ordered and delivered as needed, keeping production moving smoothly without requiring large storage spaces. This method also prevents material degradation, particularly with coatings, paints, or adhesives that may have limited shelf lives. The reliability of such systems naturally builds trust with customers who can rely on consistency, quality, and timely product availability. Collaborating with local businesses creates opportunities for co-marketing and share resources. For instance, partnering with a wood supplier to incorporate wooden elements into metal furniture can lead to cost-sharing arrangements. Similarly, teaming up with a local interior design firm or retailer to showcase furniture in their spaces provide mutual exposure and potential sales opportunities. These partnerships create a web of trust and interdependence, subtly reinforcing values of community, collaboration, and shared success. Maker spaces offer access to shared tools and equipment without requiring significant investments. These facilities often have industrial-grade machines available for rent, allowing businesses to complete specific tasks without purchasing expensive tools. Maker spaces also encourage collaboration, providing opportunities to learn new techniques, share ideas, and gain insight into efficient practices. Engaging with such spaces highlight adaptability and creativity, qualities that resonate strongly with DIY enthusiasts and forward-thinking consumers. Sustainability is a growing trend in furniture production. Incorporating eco-friendly materials, recycling scrap, and optimizing process attract environmentally conscious consumers while reducing costs. Training workers to recognize areas of waste and inefficiency encourages a culture of continuous improvement. Periodic reviews of production workflows, equipment usage, and material sourcing practices reveal opportunities for further optimization. These subtle but impactful shifts align with customers who value companies that demonstrate care for the environment and society. Incorporating technology to monitor and analyze production data provide insight into efficiency. Sensors and software tracking material usage, machine performance, and workflow bottlenecks identify areas for improvement. Automated systems that reorder materials when inventory runs low prevent overstocking while ensuring smooth operations. These behind-the-scenes optimizations build confidence in their products, fostering loyalty without needing explicit promotion. Marketing cost-efficient and sustainable practices to customers add value to the final product. Effort to reduce waste, source locally, and streamline production appeal to environmentally conscious buyers and differentiate the business from competitors. Offering transparency in material sourcing and production process builds trust and establishes the brands as a responsible and forward-thinking, By embedding these values to their core operations, business communicate the principles effectively without overt declaration. Thank you for tuning in. If this video lighted a spark of creativity or gave your project the edge they deserve, don't let the inspiration stop here. Hit the like button, share this with others who get it, and subscribe to join the community that thrives on innovation. Don't forget to tap the notification bell because being ahead of the curve means catching the latest ideas as they drop. See you in the next video.